In this video, you'll learn how to create a Stripe payment link to accept payments in WordPress. By following these steps, you will be able to set up a payment link that can be shared with customers for seamless transactions. Begin by navigating to WordPress.com. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for WordPress. Once the page loads, look for the Sites option in the menu. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard. After reaching the dashboard, locate and click on the Create with AI button. This will initiate the process of setting up a new site using artificial intelligence to streamline the creation process. Wait for the interface to load the next options for you. Following this, you will see a prompt labeled Laying the Foundations. Click on this option. The screen will update to reflect the next steps in the site building process. Ensure that the AI is processing your request, which may take a few moments. Once you see a message that states, "Make a website as unique as you are on the right track," this message indicates that the AI is generating your site framework. Look for a text box where you can type in the details for your payment link. Next, type in the phrase, "Create a Stripe payment link to accept payments in WordPress." This input will guide the AI in tailoring your site to include the payment link functionality. After entering the phrase, click on the Enter key to proceed. Your screen will refresh and you should see a message confirming that WordPress.com can create a Stripe payment link. This confirmation means the system is ready to guide you through the next steps. Pay attention to the instructions provided. Now, you will need to choose the option provided above. Type in the choice that appears, then press Enter once again. This action will confirm your selection and allow the AI to continue configuring your site. After this, another prompt will appear asking you what your website should be called. Type in your desired site title, then hit Enter. This name will be displayed in the browser tab and will represent your site. Next, input a tagline or description that will appear in search results and social previews. This description should reflect what you help people do. After typing in this information, press Enter to proceed. Continue by clicking on Create My Site. This will finalize the setup process, and you may see a message that states, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is working to generate your site based on the information you provided. Be prepared to wait while your site is being generated. Depending on the complexity of the site and your internet speed, this may take a moment. It is important to maintain a stable internet connection during this process to avoid any interruptions. Finally, you will receive a notification once your site is ready. At this point, you can access your Stripe payment link. Ensure to test the link to confirm that it directs customers correctly for payments. This check is crucial to avoid any issues with transactions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.